The Call menu option will allow you to select functions to do with a call. The top functions can be used by clicking on them when applicable or by using the hotkeys listed next to the action. If you have the correct permissions allocated, you can click on the Call menu, then select the Bypass Diversion Rules for Next Call feature. The next call you make will bypass that user's diversions and contact them directly. Your administrator can set up permissions which will allow you to be able to barge into another user's call. The external party will be placed on hold and you will be connected to the internal user. To perform this feature, click on the Call menu. Then select the Intrude Ongoing Calls feature. Then dial the internal user and you will intrude onto their connected call. The Calling As feature is used to change to either a business or private role. The business role will present your caller ID where private will not. To use this feature, click on the Call menu, hover over Calling As, and click on the role you would like to select.